Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, The Crypto Hunter. This will be the part 2 version of the BPO token which I was talking about earlier. Like I said, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just my personal opinion. The market is still very volatile. You might need to do your own research and reinvest the money in which you are ready to lose. This is the part 2 of BPO which I want you guys to take through. I'll quickly take you guys through the token sale terms. Like I said earlier, the token sale is live already, which is going to end by 15th of May. So in case you want to purchase, you can do that as fast as possible. And they are going to be on exchange by August of 2018. Alright then, the token sale structure. 60% is going for the token sale, 5% for marketing and bounty campaign, private token sale. The 10% will be for strategic partners, 25% for team and core clients. This is the chart over here. Then right below it is the structure of fund allocation. 50% will be for the development of products, 10% will be for the legal service, 10% lobbying of company services for large online and offline merchants, 15% for marketing, 15% for operation costs, offices in operating countries. This is also the chart over here. Okay. Alright. This is the token name. VUY. Something like buy. Then this is the platform, the blockchain platform Ethereum, the standard ERC20. That means the wallet must be ERC20 accepted. It must be compatible with ERC20. Then the type of it is utility. Terms and conditions. All unsold tokens for general public sale will be annulled after the ICO on the smart contract terms. The tokens allocated to the team will not be available for sale 1 year. Maximum emission is over here. Then token to USD exchange rate. Like I said earlier, this is the token exchange rate. In case you want to buy one of the tokens, this is the value for it, 0.08 US dollar. The currency of purchase is Ethereum, ETC, BCH, US, NEO. Then the maximum purchase is unlimited. You can purchase as much as possible. There is no limitation to what you can purchase. And if you're ready to get your tokens, you can just click on this right here, which should direct you to the web page where you can get your tokens and buy them. Then wait for August 2018 for you to start making exchange on the platform. And also, if you want to participate in their bounty program, this is the link for you to follow. Also, just click on this. It will take you to their bounty program web page. I guess that is clear. Then the solutions which BPO want to provide for us, BPO.io online. Okay, BPO.io retail. This is a unique technology designed to combine the capabilities of cryptocurrencies with offline infrastructures. BPO.io retail is a product for offline sales outlets such as cafes, hotels, flower shops, supermarkets, and other locations interested in accepting cryptocurrency as a payment method for goods and services provided. That is, BPO will be like a unique technology which will be used to make payments in cryptocurrency for retail shops or products, in which you can easily get their product paying with your cryptocurrency. If you have a BPO token on your cryptocurrency, you may choose this solution if you want to increase your client database by suggesting your customer an innovative, unique, and convenient payment method. That is, as a, how I say it now, like as a seller, you can choose to include BPO payments in your platform to increase your client database. In which case, you give your consumers or your customers more opportunities for them to pay, more payment opportunities for them, which will be easy, and they'll be available to purchase any good from your store at any time. Conveniency, that's what this is talking about. Then the other one over here is the system is sophisticated yet easy and user-friendly enough to receive payments on your personal website and mobile application through a wide pool of cryptocurrencies. You may opt for this solution if you are a website owner or a developer. If you are a website owner or developer, then this opportunity is right here for you. Don't miss it. Then BPO obviously has a roadmap This is just like a map which guides them and assists them in whatever they are doing. Private sealed around 2017 has been finished already. By 1st of November to 9th of November 2017, they finished their private sealed round. Then the other one is private token sales open 26th of March to 2nd of April 2018, which I believe has taken place. Then this is taking place now. The public token sales opens 17th of April to 15th of May. There's still a lot of time for you to purchase that. Official Open Europe bpay.io office by August 28th. This is going to happen. Open API for first merchant release digital currency August 28th. EDES.io exchange opens by October 28th, 18. Receive processing license for bank connections by November 2018 also. iOS and Android wallet and dashboard release by November 2018 also. Then Open API for first merchant fast currency by January 2019. Then the quarter one Open BPay US office by 2019. This, which is the last Q2 quarter 2 2019 BPay retail payment stake release by 2019 also. So obviously I know this team knows what they are doing, and they have a map already is going to assist them in case there is any mix up or what is left to be done and the likes. I would like you to meet the team in charge of BPO. This is the CEO right here, Alexander Peterman. I can assure you that I've checked out this team members' profile on LinkedIn, which I can advise you to do also. They are great experts in their own very field, which I believe BPO is going to be taken to greater heights with this team. The advisors is right here. These are their various advisors: business consulting, IT consulting experts, CEO and founder of Payne Finance Consulting. So each and every one of them are experts in their own very field. Please try to check them out on LinkedIn to confirm and make your own research. Then this is the email again for you to stay connected with BPO and know much about them. If at all you still want to know more about BPO, you can read more on their white paper or follow their boundary trade link. Thank you very much for staying here with me, guys. I'll drop a lot of videos next, and please have a good day. Thanks.